welcome back. It's 7:50 this morning. It is Fiesta, and that can mean it's the perfect time for some refreshing summer wine cocktails. An expert is joining us now live with some easy recipes to make at home or at a party. Sharon is live outside with Melissa right now. Sharon, what are you mixing up this morning?
That's right. We're mixing up a lot of things, Tony. So get your recipe books out because take some notes. We have some really nice selections for you. Of course, it's summer. A lot of folks are maybe hosting fiesta parties. If it's not a fiesta party, maybe it's just a summer barbecue or something fun. And Melissa is joining us again.
Yes.
Nice to see you, of
Hello.
course,
Thanks for
as
having me
always. Melissa, you're going to show us maybe some fun things to kind of whip up?
Yes, and perfect, just in time for the start of Fiesta.
Yeah.
We are right on target here, and for the heat, because it is warm here right now in Santa Barbara.
Something to kind of cool us off.
Yeah,
what are you going to start us off with?
Chilled reds over here. A lot of people think you can't chill your reds. You can chill your reds, especially sangria, of course, which is perfect for Fiesta. We have a wonderful bodega de San Antonio sangria, which you can actually find at your local retailer.
I've actually tried this, and this is really delicious.
That's from last time.
So good, of course, to get into the Fiesta spirit. So that's nice chilled. What else?
Lambrusco, which is a light Italian sparkling red, which is wonderful for barbecues and such. We also have our San Antonio Cardinal red, and that is wonderful chilled. Then, of course, our popular Stella Rosa brand. We have our red and black flavors with a lot of notes of berries, so those are wonderful chilled as well for the summer, or any time of the year, really.
And last time I remember you were pairing some of these with certain things, but the reds go with a lot of different things, especially when you chill it, right? You can kind of mix things up.
Yeah, perfect for barbecue especially.
Yeah.
And we want to move into some cocktails now, right?
Perfect.
Wine cocktails by the pool or wherever, perfect for summertime. We can start over here. We have the Paradise Breeze. This is with our Stella Rosa Brachetto. I'm going to open it here and we can have the little festive pop sound here. Let's hope it doesn't fly off. There you go.
Popping champagne on Fox 11.
This one over ice, of course, and it's sparkling, so it's very festive. You can add some pineapple chunks and rosemary sprigs. Give it some nice herbal and fruit notes there.
Oh, that looks fabulous. Okay.
Delicious. That's called the Paradise Breeze. Then we have, this one's actually my favorite. This is made with our Stella Pink. It's the Princess Peach. This is actually my favorite flavor of the Stella.
So what do you kind of mix? You kind of mix some raspberries in there?
Yeah, you could put some sparkling water, put some raspberries. And you don't have to be fancy. I mean, you could like mix it if you want. You could muddle these raspberries, but if you want to do something simple by the pool, you could just do something like this. Add some mint on top. That is very refreshing.
What is this one again? Okay.
Stella
Rosa Pink.
Yeah, it actually has some notes of rose
smell
petals.
Yeah. Ooh, smells so fruity. I love that.
You'll have to wait to taste it.
I know, right? Can't try it on camera. All right, what else you got?
We have Punchin Apple. This one has big apple notes, our new platinum flavor of the Stella Rosa brand. And it's got green apple, vanilla, and elderflower notes. But you can kick up the apple with some sparkling apple cider. We like our Donelli's, which you can find in our tasting room.
This is non-alcoholic?
Yeah, this one's non-alcoholic. This is what we give the kids in our tasting room. Our tasting room, of course, our main location located in LA and Paso Robles in Ontario. We also have
San Antonio.
San Antonio Winery, yes. LA's largest and longest producing winery. 98 years.
So now it's no longer a virgin drink.
No, but hey, if you want to do it for the kids, you can just add some apple slices to the
that's perfect. Perfect for the summer when the kids are wanting to something chilled by the pool or something. Did you show us this yet?
No, this is our newest Prosecco. This is actually fresh off the boat from Italy. DIAMA Prosecco. DIAMA because the bottle looks like a diamond. Okay. It's one of a kind bottle. It's the first diamond cut bottle of its kind like this. It's absolutely beautiful. So you can dazzle up any mimosa or Bellini. Here we have some mango juice in a glass. And just add some DIAMA Prosecco, or you can add our Stella Rosa Prosecco, whichever you prefer. This one's going to be a little drier than our Stella Prosecco, which we have over here as well. You can add some lime juice to that. And of course, you could just, decorate the glass a bit.
Nice. Okay.
I'm not a professional cocktail maker. Let me just let me add that.
Some ideas here, though. Okay.
And this is our newest DIAMA Prosecco. Now, this one is definitely probably the newest of all our wines. We produce 18 different brands, and this is the newest one we have, the DIAMA Rosé, which is perfect for summer. It's going to have a little more berry notes to it. So you want to liven it up with some strawberry in a glass, some basil and peach. It's actually National Peach Month, I just learned too. So perfect.
Okay, perfect.
Perfect to add peach to these cocktails. And there we go. That looks absolutely lovely. This is actually called the Sunrise Sangria. Perfect also for fiesta.
All right, very good. Let me actually, I'm going to do a quick little taste. I'm kind of curious about this one.
That one, you're intrigued.
Oh, that's very refreshing. I was curious about that one.
Yes.
That's like almost like sitting by the pool, relaxing, summer hot
Perfect.
day.
Yes.
Okay.
And then we have these cute little Stella Rosa cocktail books you can actually find in our tasting rooms.
Okay.
But if you can't go to our tasting rooms at the moment, you can find all our cocktail recipes online at stellarosawines.com.
Awesome, Melissa. Thank you so much. And of course, this is so perfect for summer vacations, summer trips, fiesta, of course, kicking off this evening. And I think a lot of folks are getting excited for that, hosting fiesta parties throughout town.